today is day 12 of my 24 days of DIY, so we are halfway through. So crazy. I hope you guys have been loving the DIYs so far, and there's still 12 more to go. Okay, today's DIY is a really cute one, but it's also so easy to make. So I really love decorating with little garland, especially during the holidays. We've already made a gingerbread one, so if you missed that one, go watch that video because that one is so cute and it makes your house smell so good. But we're going to do another one today, and this one is going to be a little star and twinkling lights garland. Which this will be cute during the holiday season, but I also think it's just cute for all year long, which is awesome. So you're going to need a star cookie cutter, some fairy lights, and then you're going to need something to actually make the stars out of. I was originally just going to use like polymer clay, or you could do the salt dough recipe that we did, I think day 3. That would work as well. But I was at Target this morning and I came across this little handprint ornament kit in the dollar section. And it's just this cute little kit that already has like a big thing of just air dry clay in it. So I picked this up to use this for this project because I like this air dry clay. It's kind of more foamy and it won't break as easily as like the salt dough may. So I'm excited to use this. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is just to get my clay out. Okay, so like I mentioned before, this actually smells really good. So like I said before, this is kind of more foamy. It's not really clay. So it just air dries. You don't have to bake it in the oven. And it will dry, but it'll still stay kind of foamy. So it's hard to break. You'd have to like rip it. So I think this is good to use so that our garland will not break. So right now I'm just flattening it out. I may actually get a rolling pin so I get it nice and smooth. Making my little foam pizza here. Okay, we'll start with this. So I'm simply going to take my star cookie cutter and just cut out as many stars as I can get. All right, now I'm gonna pop these out if I can. All right, I'm on my last little bit of dough. I will say if you do get this type, the air dry clay, it dries fairly quickly, so you kind of have to move fast or else it's just kind of hard to mold. So the length of your garland is going to be however long your fairy lights are. So I'm not actually sure how many stars I'm going to be able to use, but I'm just cutting out as many as I can get from this. All right, so now I'm getting my fairy lights out and I need to put batteries in. Ooh. So I'm gonna unroll the lights and stretch them all the way out. Okay, so to make the garland, I'm going to leave, I don't know, about this much space at the start of the fairy lights. So I'm gonna start right here and I'm just going to take one of my stars once they're all dry, and I'm going to wrap the wire around it to hold it in place like this, and then work my way down at another little part. I'm going to wrap another star, and I just kind of do a little crisscross around the star. And I'm going to keep doing that until the end of my fairy lights. I love it, it looks so good. Turns out I needed way less stars than I cut out, so I can use the rest of these as little like present toppers, or I can punch a hole in them and hang them as ornaments. I don't know, but lots of uses for these little stars. So this is my garland. I love it. I think it'll be so cute at nighttime, all lit up and then little stars on it. This would even be cute like wrapped around a Christmas tree, I think. But so easy to do and so cute, just like twinkling fairy star lights. Yay, they're so happy. Okay, so that is it for today's DIY. This is probably a short video because of how simple this DIY was, but I think it turned out so stinking cute. We're halfway through the DIYs. If you're not subscribed already, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow with our next DIY. Bye!